Imagine an island where real life dragons still exist. At first glance, this island looks peaceful, tropical forests, quiet beaches, but hidden here lives one of the most dangerous reptiles on Earth. Welcome to Komodo Island. This island is home to the legendary Komodo dragon. These giant lizards can grow over 3 meters long and weigh more than 70 kilograms. They have powerful jaws, sharp claws, and venomous bites. When they hunt, they can take down animals as large as deer or water buffalo. Because of their size and power, they're often called the last dragons on Earth. And the most incredible part, they exist only in a few islands inside Komodo National Park, nature's real life dragon.